Come on, put it here. Put down here.
It don't want to come out.
Why?
Because it's scared of me.
Scared of you?
Yeah,
Or scared of mommy?
scared of me and you.
Oh, poor cards. How about this word? Can you read? Hide and seek. Read from mommy first. Read first. Read first.
No.
Read.
No.
Okay, Teddy Bear want to read. Can you get Teddy Bear for mommy? At. Do you know at? Good job. Oh, you can read. How about hat?
Hat.
Good job. Hat. Spell first. At.
At.
Good job.
Teddy bear don't want to read.
Teddy Bear doesn't want to read?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he want to read.
Yeah.
How about bat? Bird at.
Where is the map? Map.
Not map, just mat. At. Not map. Mat. Mat. Can you sit properly?
Where is the map?
Mat. At. Mat. This word mat. Right? How about ran? And
Where?
can you get it from mommy? Can you get it from mommy? Silly girl. Which one? Ran. That one? This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
Good job. How about pan? Pan. Which one pan? This one pan?
No.
This one pan?
No.
This one pan?
Yes.
Yeah, mommy, good. Can you say good job, mommy?
Good job, Papa.
Bơi. Don't lift your feet up. Silly. How about oh, mommy, can you sing? Oh, ทะเล
ทะเลแสนงามฟ้าที่คามโดดใสมองเห็นฟืบไปมันอยู่ในห้องทะเลหาแต่งามเห็นกั๊ก
เห็น crab
เห็นกวัก
crab
กั๊ก
เห็นปูดูสิดูหมูปลา
กวัก
กุ้งหอยนานา
ในห้อง
ท้อง not ห้อง
ห้องทะเล
ท้อง
อ่องทะเล
Okay, good job. Say bye bye. Bye bye.
อ่องทะเล
Bye bye. Say
อ่องทะเล
okay. Bye bye. Bye bye, Brocky.